Dearest, how are you doing? So I have made an upgrade, and thanks to
Edo, the CEO of Estteyj Millinery,
who sent all these things that I ordered from Lagos all the way to Nnewi. She actually supplies everywhere, supplies within Nigeria, as you can see in these pictures, and also outside the shores of Nigeria, as you can see in the pictures on the screen. Before we start unboxing our items, let us take a quick view on Estteyj's shop. As you can see, she has all that you require, and she's just a WhatsApp away, and I'm sure you've taken note of her number is all around, all pasted, but in case you didn't, I'll be putting all her details in the description of this video. Okay, it's time to unbox my own package. Yes, I bought the mannequin head, the turntable, so you will no longer be seeing me using my hands turning the mannequin head, and also the head band stand. So if you need to purchase any millinery item, feel free to contact Estteyj.